has several parameters. Success is not the same to everyone. In fact, the definition of success is something that changes with the due profession of life. Stay tuned till the end of the video to get hold of a unique story and a completely different perspective on success. 20 years back, I started my lucrative career as a pharma professional. Completing my first project, getting my first award, getting promoted meant success to me. You must now be thinking that this must have continued happily ever after. Sad part, no. When pandemic hit globally, it hit my life as well. I had to work 24/7. That meant I could not see my 6-year-old kid's face in entire day. I hardly ate. As a mother and wife, I failed miserably. So moral of the story, success equals being satisfied and happy. I decided to leave my lucrative career and take care of myself and my family. And then came a time I decided to begin my social media journey. I aspire to become an inspiration to many people out over there who feel that life is too small. Life is full of opportunities up for grabs. Releasing my first video, getting feedback, suggestions, appreciation and even trolls means success to me. Celebrating small moments each and every day means success to me. I'm super excited to be a part of Success Gyan's Super Speaker Season 2, India's first ever reality show curated to inspire and impact the community. And as I create this video, it gives me an immense pleasure, and even this means success to me. Success to me is an everyday task or activity that I do. Take care, stay blessed.